Hello guys, welcome to the second part of my tutorial on 3D tracking. Previously we had learned how to track our footage inside PFTrack and export the tracking points to be used in 3ds Max. So in this video we are going to import the PF tracking data inside 3ds Max so that we can import our 3D model inside it and we can do the final job like lighting and matching with the original footage. We are inside 3ds Max. At first, we will set up our unit as meters inside 3ds Max and ensure that the same unit was set up in PFTrack when exporting the PFTrack data. And as the tracking data is exported in script format from PFTrack, we need to run the script inside 3ds Max. So click on scripting, run script, and then go to the specified file where the script was exported. Then we can see as we scrub the timeline or press the play button, we can see the camera aligned with the tracking points are imported now inside the 3ds Max. But we can see the perspective view between points distance is very small, which we are gonna solve within minutes. So we need to add the footage as the viewport background to figure out how big and small are the objects according to the tracking points. So we will press Alt plus B and select use files and go to the location where the sequence was placed and select the sequence and then click OK. Okay, now we have to resize the PF data tracking points. To ensure we get a proper scaling, we need to compare an object inside the footage with a standard sized object. So we will take a box and pretend it to be a human being having a standard height of 1.8 meters, because typically 6 feet is what 1.8 meters is. Now we will scale the tracking data accordingly with the box compared to the jeep inside our footage. But we will not scale the box anymore. We have to imagine that how big the box of 6 feet height would be if it was standing near the jeep. After scaling and getting a proper satisfaction, we will now move on to bringing the Porsche model inside the scene. So we will go to File, then click on Import, then Merge, and select the Porsche model and click OK. So now you can see our car is imported, but it looks very small according to the scene. So we need to resize it properly. But we need the proper height of the car. So let's do a Google search about the Porsche 911 car height. So as we can see from the search that the car height is approximately 1.269 meters. So we will take a new box as a reference to the standard height of the Porsche car and resize the car accordingly. For making double sure about the car height, we can just bring the 6 feet box towards the car to check its height compared to our car. If our car looks small, then we know that it's okay. So guys, this completes this part of the tutorial series where we learned how to import tracking data from PFTrack and bring it inside 3ds Max, and how to resize and scale our object accordingly and accurately. So in the next part we will see how to texture and light our car to match exactly with our footage seamlessly, just like this. So have a good day then. Meet you soon.